I completely forgot to do my Thermomix Thursday video yesterday. Kids home, school holidays, busy day. It was about 2 o'clock. I was like, I forgot to do it. So I thought I would do it today. Earlier in the week, I posted a pic of a homemade mayo that I've made in my Thermomix, and there were a couple of people who commented and said, "Which mayo are you making?" My son went away for the weekend with some mates, and he wanted me to make him. Well, actually, I wanted to try the mayo, and I sent it away with him, and he made a salad and a miso dressing, and all in the Thermomix. And he sent me a text and said salad was polished off in a day. It was meant to last the weekend, and everyone loved the mayo. So well done, Mum. I was pretty chuffed with that. So I thought it's so easy. 2 minutes to make, so I thought I would make it today because I need some more for the weekend. We are, not me, but we are such a Best Foods mayo family. Give me a thumbs up or a comment if you're a Best Foods. No longer will I be buying Best Foods. $7 to $8 is a tub of this, and this will cost approximately about $4. So you are halving your mayo, and it would make at least this quantity. So I'm just going to show you how to make it. I've got my gorgeous sparkling black. The sparkling black is still available while stocks last. I think the stocks are getting low, but if you are wanting to get a black on your bench, then reach out to me. So I'm just making mayo. So I'm going to start cooking. And it says to weigh my oil. I've already weighed my oil. So into my, I'll just flick through that. An egg. I love that there's no additives, preservatives. I know exactly what's going into it. Lemon juice. Mustard. So in here I've got mustard, pepper and salt. I found the first batch that I made a little bit salty, so I have reduced the salt a bit. Then it says, insert my lid, and it's going to tell me you can either use this, so I'm just going to do this slowly. I'm going to drizzle it through this, through the hole here. Okay, so it's telling me to turn speed to speed 4, and then just drizzle this through. Okay. You can or you can use this, and you put it in the lid there, and you drizzle the oil onto the lid, and it just slowly drizzles down into the bowl. But I find this just as easy. So we are just going for 1.5 minutes, and it just says to slowly pour this in. I can see that it's already got thick. You can put different flavours, like first time I made it I put whole grain mustard in it. I've just, this time I've put normal, just dry mustard. And I will show you the finished product. So as you can see, when you put that lid on, it's not, it doesn't sit tight. So the oil just goes in around here and drizzles and slowly drizzles into the bowl. I can hear that's all good, all done, and I will show you what it looks like. Amazing, absolutely amazing. 1.5 minutes, and I've made my own mayo, and I know exactly what's in it. It's half the price of Best Foods. No additives and preservatives. Really good stuff. I just used a light olive oil, and it'll last in the fridge for ages, although it didn't last. The last batch didn't last at all long. And I can just, I'm just going to put it into a jar. I did think about emptying this out and putting it into the Best Foods jar just to give them a little bit of a trick. But the colour does look a little bit different. And I'm just going to say, this is what we're having now. Like everything else is homemade. So let me know in the comments box below, Do you make your own mayo, or are you a Best Foods mayo family, and are you willing to give it a go to try something different? If you are a TM5 owner, we have got an awesome upgrade offer on at the moment, which is if you upgrade to a TM6, it's available till the end of October, then you get $300 off, plus you get a free an extra bowl, lid and blade, which is in total worth $730, but you also get a 6-month subscription to Cookidoo, because that comes with your machine, and you can get the black or the white. So if you are a TM5 owner and you're interested in upgrading, or you want a demo, see what the difference is, or you want to come to one of our open homes, then just reach out to me and I will tell you the details. It's an awesome offer and a great opportunity to get one of these beautiful machines on your bench. And if you're not a TM5 owner, but you are interested in looking at a TM6, then just reach out to me. You can make your own peanut butter, you can make your own butter, you can make your own curry paste and tandoori pastes, and everything can be created from scratch in the matter of just a couple of minutes. And you are going to save, the average family saves between $30 to $80 a week by having a Thermomix. Thanks for joining me. Would love to know if you make your own mayo, or what brand does your family enjoy. And as I say, reach out to me if you want to know more about a Thermomix. Okay, see ya.